Hello, welcome to WMW's weekly newscast, bringing you the global waste management headlines. Coming up, algae to capture carbon from CO2 emissions at waste-to-energy plants in Australia, go ahead for 3.5 megawatt solar development at rehabilitated UK landfill, New York waste proposals could hit businesses with $100 million bill, and bomb squad called as dynamite-like crystal found at recycling events in Colorado. Australian biofuel firm algae has signed a binding agreement to supply Phoenix Energy Australia with algae to biofuel technology for its planned waste-to-energy plants. Phoenix Energy is currently negotiating contracts to build and manage centralised waste-to-energy facilities that would take waste from groups of municipalities. Algae said that its process will capture the CO2 produced by the plants and convert it into algae-based products. The company explained that the design of its engineered modules will allow them to be easily integrated into the facilities without the need for large ponds. According to algae, the process has the potential to be retrofitted to many of the 1,000 waste-to-energy plants currently operating worldwide. Viridor has secured planning permission for a 3.5 megawatt solar park at its rehabilitated landfill site in Westbury, UK. The company explained that the site was last used for waste disposal back in 2004 and is now fully restored to grassland. The planned solar park will be built in 2 phases and cover some 10 hectares. When fully operational, it's expected to generate 3.5 megawatts of renewable electricity. Work to install the panels is expected to commence in early 2014, with power being produced shortly after. Viridor said that it will now review all of its sites in the southeast and southwest of England to assess the viability of further solar installations. Representatives of the US National Solid Waste Management Association have testified against a proposed new law in New York City. The bill proposes capping the percentage of the city's waste that can be handled at any one community district. According to the NSWMA, if passed, the bill will likely result in the closure of several existing waste transfer stations. David Biderman, NSWMA Vice President for Advocacy, said that if enacted, the bill could increase tipping fees for businesses by as much as $100 million annually. The testimony was heard by the New York City Council's Committee on Sanitation and Solid Waste Management. The bomb squad was called to a household chemical roundup in Aurora, Colorado, when a crystallized chemical that is as explosive as dynamite was discovered. According to a report by the Denver Post, a homeowner found the chemical, which is used as an industrial cleaner, while tidying. In total, around 6 cups of picric acid were reportedly found. The product was never intended to be stored in a residential area and is said to become highly volatile once crystallized. A controlled detonation at the local fire station was captured on camera.
Fire in the hole! Fire in the hole! Fire in the hole!
On that bombshell, for WMW, I'm Ben Messenger. Thanks for watching.